Morning, everyone. Over the weekend, I was recommended a particular psychologist to have a listen to, or maybe he's a professor. But there's a technique called the Gottman technique or Gottman therapy, and basically it's a guy who has spent 40 years researching relationships and came up with something he calls the four horsemen of the apocalypse, which are these four particular criteria within relationships where if they are there, then he can work out within a 10%. So basically, he's got a 90% chance of working out whether relationships are going to make it or not, depending on this. So anyway, check him out, Gottman technique, and there's lots of podcasts and videos on YouTube, and he's a very interesting guy to have a listen to. So it was him and one of his professor mates are in bad relationships, and sort of thought, gee, maybe there's some research we can do on this. So anyway, I was thinking about our personalities, because a lot of it comes down to whether or not we're able to love, whether we can socialize, whether or not we are getting other people, whether we're getting their hints, but I was thinking it's really about all things relationship. It's just not about you and your partner. It's about you and your children, you and your mother, you and your best friend, you and anyone where there's conflict. This is the sort of thing that can actually be handy. So I just wanted to, but then again, it still comes back to our personality. So I thought I would just do a very, very quick central meridian, some tuning forks. The ones that showed up were heart chakra being hurt because of fear. So those were the two that tested up. So the little heart, obviously when our personality is being attacked, we don't feel safe. So I wanted to do that about personality and socializing. And once again, this has not been a fabulous year for being out there, feeling ourselves, feeling alive, feeling social, feeling safe with humans. So I just wanted to add a little bit of that energy. Okay, so my intention is for us to feel better about our personalities and to feel wonderful when we're socializing. Okay. I am happy just the way I am. I am comfortable with myself and my personality. I release all stress around socializing. I feel socially fulfilled. I am comfortable with myself and my personality. I respect the social standards of others. I am socially responsible. My personality is full of joy. My personality is full of love. I am able to socialize without fear. I am able to socialize without guilt. I am able to socialize without feeling inadequate. I allow my true personality to shine through. I release all stress around socializing. When part of a group, I feel safe to show my personality. I remove all past life scarring in relation to allowing my true personality to shine through. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. I'm going to take some calm and clear essence. This just helps our chakras to be calm and clear and to allow positive, beautiful energy into our lives. I am happy to be me. It is safe to be me. I am happy to work on my relationships. It is safe to work on my relationships. Emotional stress release points. I think logically and creatively in my relationships. I think logically and creatively with my friends. I think logically and creatively with my loved ones. Okay, have a beautiful day, everyone. Gottman technique, check it out if you're interested in. And I've got another little bit I was doing with a guy who's had a stroke on Friday afternoon, so I'm going to hopefully find a human to do that little technique on soon and show that to you. Take care, everyone. Have a great day.